Taxation Commissioner asserts successful implementation of GST will significantly improve revenue of the state. 1,640 students are trained every year at 11 industrial training institutes in different districts of Manipur. Forest Department evicts encroachers from reserved forest area at Lamlongai, Lokchau, Nepali Basti. Former CM's son files 3 PILs at High Court of Manipur against misuse of funds by the government. And Mary Kom expresses concern over training and diet of a sportsperson participating in international event in Rajya Sabha. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News, and I'm Kishore Chandrawal Kemcha with the top stories and latest news till this hour of the day. Commissioner of Department of Taxes Shailesh Kumar Chaurasia today stated that state's revenue will significantly improve once the union government implements the Goods and Services Tax (GST) in the country. Speaking at a press conference organized by DIPR at its office complex to sensitize the people of the works taken up by various states' departments, Shailesh Kumar Chaurasia said Goods and Services Tax may be passed in the current Rajya Sabha session and implemented in the country by April 1 next year. Many state and central taxes will be subsumed under the GST. The state in which goods and services are consumed will also get revenue for every interstate transaction. The commissioner said Manipur, being a consuming state, will see drastic changes in its revenue under GST. Shailesh Kumar Chaurasia also added that the department is working on launching e-service under Mission Mode project of Commercial Tax of National E-Governance Plan NEGP to improve tax administration and give advantages to the consumers. Assistant Commissioner R.K. Khurkishore, Superintendent Y. Indra Kumar of the department also took part in the press conference.
When we talk about sales tax or VAT or GST, this concerns each and every individual. If we talk about income tax, many of the people are exempted to a certain, after a certain income category only pay income tax. But this is one tax everybody pays because this is transferable and it is transferred with a commodity. So whoever consumes it, it is paid. Here one important thing is that sales tax is state list subject. For the first time, it is being projected as a uniform tax throughout the country.
Manipur has 11 industrial training institutes in various districts, and the total intake capacity at these ITIs is 1,640. Joint Director, Directorate of Craftsman Training, T.H. Manibabu told me their person at the 50th press conference organized by Directorate of Information and Public Relations today at the IPR premises said currently many youths are being trained on 6 job-oriented schemes under the ministry in an aim to make them self-reliant. During 2012-13, the Manipur Skill Development Society MSDS and the State Planning Department sponsored educated boys and girls to identify vocational training providers outside the state. The society spent Rs 5 crore on skill development training for 687 students, out of which 581 successful trainees get employed in reputed institutions, hotels, civil aviation sector and big industries, etc. He, however, maintained that the department is now unable to continue the program due to constraint of funds.
Over to give ITI 103 unit there, aduga seating capacity is 1,640. I basic retirement during the 10 plan period 2000 to the Gina 2007 the 5 new ITI Habiti, Hangnung ne, Kaksim ne, Ningthaukom ne, Chandel ne, Tamilong ne. Masi 100% private sector. That's the point.
Education Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar stated that differently abled persons should not be marginalized. Speaking at the Aid and Appliances Distribution Function organized by Additional District Project Officer SSA at Zonal Office, he said differently abled persons should be encouraged to contribute their potential towards the development of the society. He said parents and families should avail the welfare schemes for disabled Wheelchairs and tricycles, among others equipment, were distributed to 34 disabled children.
Akoigi meeting se masi akoi hujik le henna akoi broaden to what chauthukpa sangi have se akoi khuding mana fil to butai akoi khuding mana masigi kanosi akoigi ngahaki akoigi kano torom maduna taba lekai da leimina bo oi bitara ga su yum da leimina bo oi bitara ga su akoi masida akoi hairiba akoi differently able singsida akoi angam da thapta akoi mating pang minaba madugi wakalon madolom da akoi puminar pama akoi madu changi.
Forest Department today evicted encroachers from reserved forest area at Lamlongai Lokchau Nepali Basti under Haingang Police Station. Staff of the department dismantled about 20 houses constructed in the area this morning. Officials said the department has repeatedly asked the encroachers to leave the reserved forest area. They also said despite the warnings, the encroachers constructed more houses in the area, forcing the forest department to evict them. About 20 houses were dismantled today. On the other hand, an evicted person said they were not given notice ahead of the eviction by the authority. He said they were suddenly evicted without warning. The evicted people urged the authority concerned to give them some more time to shift their belongings to another place. Women vendors today staged a sit-in below the flyover on Bir Tikendrajit Road against the non-repair of two women markets in Kwairaman Bazaar damaged by January 4 earthquake. A woman vendor, Maibam Shanti, said the Works Minister KSA's Biren today assured them that the two markets will be repaired within 3 months. She alleged that earlier the government had also given assurance to repair the damages caused by the earthquake. The women vendors have threatened to continue their business around the market from tomorrow.
January tang mari dengan ngasi bakse moina tha ahum ani amma tang tha lai akho ju mapi mapani moina sembira kadrai na ngai lai bani adu ngasi bakta thaba amata lokhopa udre akoi na manung da phamja ga ba su moina yadre akoi na sara hen na ngai badi ngam da bani na mapan da kathen ge akoi bada phamaga akoi no magi sara tan ja bani masige aya bo bibiyo na hajaru bani nga ke irang namdana ba pangang da ngang lai ba saka ge adum da penda da na akoi ngasi sida mayam puli bani hayeng dang de akoi sorok ti da po tara phamgane.
R.K. Premjit, the son of former Chief Minister late R.K. Ranbir, has filed 3 public interest litigation PILs in the High Court of Manipur against Loktak Development Authority LDA, Manipur Development Society MDS, and Social Welfare Department, seeking a probe by the Special Investigation Team SIT or committee constituted by retired or distinguished jurists to the misuse of funds meant for the development of the state. A division bench of Acting Chief Justice Rakesh Ranjan Prasad and Justice S. Serto today issued notice to Chief Secretary, Chairman of MDS Planning Department, in issue relating to alleged awarding contracts without issuing tenders. Speaking at a press conference at Manipur Press Club, Supreme Court lawyer Rajesh Agarwal, the petitioner's counsel, said the petitioner has filed the PIL on LDA for mismanagement of funds of about Rs 224 crores, which was meant for the maintenance of the lake. The MDS for misusing around Rs 2.75 crores for misusing funds meant for the construction of district sports complexes, and the Social Welfare Department for misusing around Rs 101 crore meant for the construction of 4,464 Anganwadi centers. R.K. Premjit said he did not file the PILs for his personal interest, but to bring about a change in the state and to prevent corruption.
From the records, it revealed that a large volume of amount contract was awarded to the tune of more than 224 crores. And but actually, if we go to the site there, we do not find that much of amount having been invested there. The Honorable Chief Justice of Manipur High Court, he had, after hearing us, examining the material on record and all the evidences which was of the prima facie opinion, and that he issued notices to the different authorities and show cause them to file their respective replies in the matter within 5 weeks. The matter has now been adjourned and will be listed on 9th of September.
Muslim Advocates Legal Services Organization blamed the jail authority for the death of 2 Saudis in the Sajiwa jail incident and urged the government for a judicial inquiry into the incident at the earliest. Speaking to media person at its office at Hatta, President of Muslim Advocates Legal Services Organization, Muhammad Jalaluddin said the negligence of jail authorities led to the death of 2 Saudis and asked to suspend Sajiwa jail SP and the jailer. He also asked the government's permission for the Muslim community of the state to perform the last rites in Manipur. It may be mentioned that the Saudi Ambassador Saud bin Mohammed Al Saadi denied that the deceased were from Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabian National Niduri Foreigners Act Makada, I did jail the Labani, Mogi, Labim Matamsul Hai, Matamsan Manipur Mena, Mapanda, My Lamda. Deport to the Sinaki deputy Hybogotuna Tokibani. Mastral inquiry Matawusi, Gupamdi Madimota, real pectu, Pazana judicial Mastral inquiry Putopung Amoy, Adumota, judicial inquiry headed by Honorable Judge of the High Court, Amana Litoraga, as a judicial inquiry to view Hina, Women Dapil.
State police have beefed up the security and have been conducting search operation in various places ahead of the Independence Day celebration in the last few days. As part of the routine operation, a search operation was conducted at Langtabal Kunja early this morning. A combined team of police led by Imphal West Commando OCP Sanjoy and 6 Assam Rifles verified the identity of men and women from 15 to 60 years in the area. The verification was conducted till 8 a.m. 3 persons without valid ID documents were taken to Singjamui police station for further verification. Let's take a short commercial break here. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Upon Fitness Center Sinjaba Manipur ki khwadi ki chawba case prize oriba 6 state level transformation challenge 2016 paktuk chargani August 8 preliminary round November 3 ta final round loina grand final November 22 da competition asi thaung gi manung da masagi rumba henba ma diwat pamyo singna masagi normal weight thamduna chungfiral chaba changdam nabani saruk yabiu first positions 1 lakh second position 40,000 third position 20,000 fourth position 10,000 fifth position 5,000
Tata Shakti J6 set Sizinabiu. Government piba guideline gi matung inna chap chana quality control torba Tata Shakti ki product ni. Tata Shakti ki product sing set asigi district khudimuk ki retail outlet sing da fangbigani. Tata Shakti.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. One-day advocacy program for distribution of widow pension was held at the Conference Hall of Network for Positive People, Lok Laubung. The event was organized by Network for Positive People in Imphal West. A monthly pension of Rs 200 was distributed to HIV-infected widows in Singjamui constituency. The pension was sponsored by social worker Oinam Roman. Speaking at a function, District AIDS Control Officer in Imphal West, Dr. S. Gopal appreciated the initiative to provide pension to widows and also appealed to the people to help the people living with HIV lead a normal life and to eradicate AIDS.
HIV ki widow oina hingbasi yamna struggle ama ne ba sumaina pension ama piakani kaibase yamna akoi kaupokchaba nungaijaba sigumba mayam ama su tungda thoglakani akoi ngasi gi leiba singsida khara oisu mateng phanghandana akoi si chauthokna hingba ngamba gi kainosi uhan birakani haibasi ju thamjari
sigumba akoi waraba tanthon masida aina angamba thagi ba angamba khara pisabase Masikap limited ate karigumba aina agi tungi pusida apo thabok mayam toraga agi pusida asoba mai pa ora potara gi piri ba sang aseti su henai pi ngam ba kojage ado ka su douna ai thamani pira ga to ko nate ai nei hingi ba pawdi basigi skim maja ai bijage.
Ramray Village Mapithel Dam Committee has strongly objected the announcement by the IFCD that the Mapithel Dam will be inaugurated in September. The committee in a press note warned of untoward incidents if the authorities decide to inaugurate the dam before the affected villages are rehabilitated, resettled and compensated. The Center for Research and Advocacy Manipur CRAM in a press release cautioned the government not to inaugurate the Mapithel Dam against the wishes of the villagers affected by the dam who are yet to receive compensation. CRAM also advised the government that before inaugurating the Mapithel Dam, it should find out why dams in the state, namely Khuga Dam, Khopum Dam, Singda Dam and Loktak Project are not functioning properly. Kangleipak Communist Party Military Joint Committee KCP MJC hosted a lunch at the Children Home in Imphal West on occasion of outfit's first foundation day. Stationery items were also distributed to the children. A road safety drive cycle rally on the theme Your Safety, Our Concern was flagged up at Patsoi Part 4 this morning. Around 110 people took part in the rally that started from Patsoi and passed through Kangla, Kwa Kaithel and Tera Kaithel before it concluded at Patsoi Part 4. Patsoi OC Rojit Irom and 12 Bihar Regiment, 9 Sector Assam Rifles, Major Bharat jointly organized the rally with an aim to spread the message of road safety to the people. Later, a painting competition was held at Polestar Public School, Patsoi Part 3. Five-day retrospective of Aribam Sham Sharma's films and masterclasses will be held from August 24 to 28 at Community Center, Bishnupur Municipal Council. It will be jointly organized by Chinglei Park Cine Club, Bishnupur and Chingkhurakpa Art Production. The renowned Manipuri filmmaker will interact with emerging filmmakers, hold masterclasses, and share his knowledge of the art and craft of filming. Addressing media person, Chinglei Park Cine Club co-convener L. Gopal said 7 selected feature films of Aribam Sham Sharma will be shown and discussed. Till date, the filmmaker has made 16 feature films and 31 non-feature films.
matam amagi fajagiba film mayam du ngasi kausilakpa ade hujiki anoba train gi film sigi siga manada mong da horokibagi adung mamagi masterpiece oiba mayam do amona yengaga khana nainamina ba masa yauna khana nainabi khudong jaba du gi damta khona hairiba film si magi damta sinja langjabani ariba film gi horokpa mayhoron Shigi Maramda Kangbi Ningba Kana Nainabasida Saru Yabidana Lakpina Ba Akoigi organized Tozariba Chinglei Park Cine Club Amsu Chingkurakpa Art Production Gi members Sing Na Manipur Gi Parja Kudimapu Masida Saru Yabina Paujanjari.
Shaihek Shaireng Shaipan Shengatlub Shaipal will honor popular lyricist Chandam Samacharan as the Lyricist of the Year at its 10th Foundation Day on August 22. Nungshi Shairol, a book of lyrics by different lyricists, will also be released at the event. A festival showcasing the varied music and dances of northeastern India will be organized in New Delhi beginning tomorrow to promote the rich folk culture of the region. Titled Amazing Northeast Paradise Unexplored, the festival organized by a city-based NGO, Life of Vision Foundation, will see over 22 artists from the region performing the local songs and dances of the northeastern region. The festival aims at providing the artists from the region a platform to showcase their art and offer these dying art forms more visibility. Choir from Manipur and Mizoram will give musical performance on the first day tomorrow, followed by performance of Bihu dancers and drummers from Assam. The Directorate of Film Festivals, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, in collaboration with Directorate of Information and Public Relations, Government of Meghalaya, will host the annual event Indian Panorama Film Festival in Shillong from August 4 to 6 at U Sosotham Auditorium. Hawam Pawan Kumar's non-feature film on Loktak Lake, Phumshang, will be screened at the festival. The film has won the Best Long Documentary Award at the 8th International Documentary and Short Film Festival of Kerala last year. Manipuri feature film Chaitheng, to be made under the banner S. Kumar Films in production, was launched at S. Kumar Film Studio, Porompat. It will be also made in Nagamese language under the title Duk Sukh. Ratanlai, Basan Lukok, Dhanamanjuri Roshan, Reddy Menon, Ithoi, Suchitra, Sanjana are in the lead role. The film is produced by D. Abonmai XL and it will be directed by Geet Yumnam. Now, Olympic bronze medalist and Rajya Sabha member Mary Kom yesterday expressed concern in the Rajya Sabha over the training and the diet provided to the players participating in international sporting events. The five-time world boxing champion, making her first intervention in the upper house during question hour, expressed concern about proper trainings for the players as well as the quality diet for them. She said a diet chart for a sportsperson was given only when they enter major competition and not during training. She asked the House, and how is the athlete expected to perform in the competition when he or she has not been given adequate support in the months prior? Her intervention was lauded by the members with thumping of desk. Union Minister of State for Sports, Vijay Goyal, said he will look into specific complaints, if any. He said the government was spending as much as rupees 30 lakh to rupees 1 crore on training each of the 119 players representing India in Rio Olympics, and preparation for the next Olympics in Tokyo have also already started. Though she missed the participation in the Rio Games, the Manipuri boxer conveyed her best wishes to the Indian Olympic contingent from the floor of the House.
First of all, I would like to wish all the Indian contingent for Rio. My best wishes is always with them. Sir, what are the plan of the government to increase the budget and promote Olympic sports? Actually, sir, whichever giving us the diets, it's not come in exact time. After we went for the competition, we participate for the competition. On that time only it's come. During the training session it's not come all the diets and all. So I just want to give the idea and how can we give the budget and the promotion in the Olympic.
Imagine team Wangoi defeated KKCO Kangkhut Ilangbum Lekai 9-2 in the 5th league match of the 61st the Sir Churchan Singh KC SICBE Memorial League Cum Knockout Open Kang tournament today. The tournament is organized by Kaisamthong Kang Cultural Organization under the aegis of Manipur Kang Association at Khabam Lakpa Mandap, Kaisamthong Ilangbum Lekai, with 12 Kangkhuts taking part. Hulk Kangkhut Wabugai will meet AK Kangkhut Nambol on the 5th of this month. In a match of the second leg of the pre-qualifier Women's Football League played today, Eastern Sporting Union Wangkai beat Kripsa Nauremthong 3-1, while in another match, Manipur Police Sports Club trounced Naharul Yaipa Thaurang Club Okram Chutek 9-0. 5 teams are taking part in the tournament held at artificial turf ground under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association. And now, here's a quick reminder of the headlines once again. Taxation Commissioner asserts successful implementation of GST will significantly improve revenue of the state. 1,640 students are trained every year at 11 industrial training institutes in different districts of Manipur. Forest Department evicts encroachers from reserved forest area at Lamlongai, Lokchau, Nepali Basti. Former CM son files 3 PILs at High Court of Manipur against misuse of funds by the government. And Mary Kom expresses concern over training and diet of a sportsperson participating in international event in Rajya Sabha.